what combination in astrology can cause obstacles in the path of higher education. So this is one of the most important topic, that is educational prospects in Vedic astrology. So when you talk about educational aspects until schooling or until graduation, we'll be seeing the fifth house in the birth chart that talks about educational prospects. And if at all you talk about postgraduate education, then the ninth house will play its important role. Ninth house talks about higher studies, higher education, masters, PhD, and all that all the studies can be dealt with the ninth house. Okay. Fifth house talks about schooling and education until graduation, and ninth house talks about post graduation, PhD studies, and research oriented studies. All can be seen from the ninth house. Okay, so and this video is all about what combination in astrology can cause obstacles in the path of higher education. So obstacles are caused due to sixth house and eighth house and 12th house in the birth chart. So whenever there is any relationship between the fifth house lord and the ninth house lord with the sixth house and the eighth house or 12th house, then this person will be having the obstacles in terms of getting that education. Most of the people will be disconnecting from their education just because they cannot able to sustain into the market. That's because of many factors, because of finances, because of family issues, because of family health issues. For all these aspects, we have to actually see the sixth house, eighth house, and 12th house to come into a conclusion whether this person will be having any kind of obstacles. Let's say sixth house lord plays in the ninth house or eighth house lord plays in the ninth house. This brings the obstacles in the path of higher education. And most importantly, we have to see the D9 chart as well. D9 chart talks about, D9 chart is nothing but called as Navamsha chart. It talks about the good fortune, it talks about religion, and in the D9 chart, ninth house talks about higher education. Okay, some people argue it as fifth house, but fifth house is all about childhood education, whereas ninth house talks about master's education. Okay, and D10 chart also has to be analyzed. In D10 chart, the placement of Mercury and Jupiter matters a lot, because Jupiter and Mercury are the personification or the karakas for wisdom and knowledge. Okay, so the placement of Mercury and Jupiter also matters a lot. So like this, there are so many combinations. In fact, I have discussed in my previous videos as well. So please do check those videos also, so that you can gain knowledge accordingly to that. Okay, and also most importantly, I will be talking about educational prospects in a detailed manner in my future videos also. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if at all you haven't subscribed, and if at all you need my consultations, I'm always ready to help you. So please book for the consultation so that I can able to help you with complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. And thank you so much for watching this video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do click on the bell icon next to subscribe button so that you'll be notified on the future videos. Okay, thank you.